Ayan. So, let's go. This is my card, guys. So, let's go. Deposit withdrawal card. So, insert the card daw, guys. Piliin natin yung English. And, ayan. I-scan na siya. Diyan nyo ilalagay yung inyong withdrawal. So, ayan siya, guys. Mas mura dito. So, ganito siya, guys. Diba? Malaki pala ngayon, no? Okay na. Okay na, guys. Nakapag-withdraw na tayo gamit ang ating GCash card.